a lot of our kids now, they don't have the opportunity to just get outside and explore nature. Taking children outside and seeing the joy of them exploring and learning is really, really important. And that's one of the things that we really try to emphasize with the Junior Master Gardener program is that hands-on learning approach where it stays with kids. The Junior Master Gardener program is a part of AgriLife Extension, and it's specifically a 4-H project area, and 4-H is a youth development component of AgriLife Extension. Gardening and horticulture touches a lot of other areas within the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences. Kids participating learn not only about horticulture and gardening, but entomology, plant pathology, and the importance of plants in the environment, and so a lot of environmental sciences, and of course soil, because plants have to have good soil to be able to grow. So it's really kind of an all-encompassing area, and people don't think about nutrition, but a big part of our work has been focused on exposing children to healthy fruits and vegetables and the importance of eating them for better health and wellness.